I'm Hannah, and today we're going to be making pineapple parfaits. Our ingredients for today are pineapple, caramel drizzle, granola, and our utensils are spoons, our mason jars, and our measuring cups. Our first step is to wash our hands. Our next step is to cut our pineapple into small chunks. Now that we've cut our pineapple, we're going to drizzle caramel into our mason jar. Now we're going to add a half cup of Greek yogurt to our mason jar. Now we're going to add a fourth cup of pineapple chunks to our mason jar. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of granola to our mason jar. Now we're going to drizzle caramel on top of our parfait. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.
Hi everyone, my name is Ari Haggard and I'm a rising sophomore at Spelman College. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we are making some beautiful chocolate covered strawberries. So here are my strawberries. They've been in that bowl for about 30 minutes. I washed them off and dried them really well so that there wouldn't be any water on them. And here is my premium baking bar of semi-sweet chocolate, and I'm going to use that to coat the strawberries, so stay tuned. Okay, so here we have our double boiler, and we have this pot here and this glass bowl, and I'm just continuously stirring the chocolate. And underneath the glass bowl is about 1 inch of water. And the way that a double boiler works is that the steam works to melt the chocolate, so you get a really smooth, nice consistency like that. Here's our chocolate straight off the stove. I already threw in a little bit more chocolate just to temper it down so that the chocolate is not gray when it ends up going on the strawberries. And we're about to go ahead and dip. So right now I am just dipping the chocolate. I'm just swirling it around. I have it on a nice skewer and I'm just swirling it. And now we have a nice coating on there. So here's the strawberries that I've done so far. They look great. Here are the strawberries I'm about to do with my chocolate, so let's keep this going. Okay, so I've dipped all of the strawberries, so now I'm gonna set them in the fridge to cool for a little bit, maybe about 30 minutes. So the strawberries have cooled, the chocolate is set, they look magnificent, and now we're gonna drizzle a little white chocolate on the top for decoration. So here we've melted a little white chocolate with coconut oil to make the consistency what we wanted it to be. And here I'm going to do our first drizzle. So just do a little bit of that. Boom, boom, and you have a drizzle. Okay, so here's the finished product. This is all that I could get before my mom came and snatched all of them. But here we go. Here's our chocolate covered strawberries. And I hope you enjoyed our Hola amigos, me llamo Jasmine y hoy estamos haciendo guacamole.
Okay, so we have everything laid out. We have our avocados, garlic, pre-cut red onion, salt, cayenne pepper, lime juice because I don't have regular limes, cilantro, a bowl, a fork, a knife, and our cutting tray. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut our avocado. So I like to cut it down the center all the way around. And then twist it to open it. And then just peel off the sides and drop it into the bowl. It gets pretty slippery and your hands are gonna be dirty from the avocado. Sometimes the pit will just slip out. And if not, you can try to just take a knife and get it out. Or just peel it off. Oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this with the rest of the avocados. Okay, so after your avocados are in your bowl, some were too hard, so I cut them up to make them easier to smash. And you just can take a fork and you can just smash them up. If you're lucky, you'll find good avocados that are easy to smash, but these are kind of hard, so it's gonna take some work. I warmed them up to make it a little easier. Okay, so this isn't as smooth as I like it, but the avocados were hard, so it's gonna be a little chunky, but I got it as smooth as possible. Now we're just gonna add our other ingredients. I already have pre-cut red onions. Just gonna put a few in here. You can make them as big or as small as you would like, and put as much as you would like. There's no real measurements for it. Next, where's the garlic? We're gonna put the garlic in it. You can mince it, but I have this little thingy right here, so I'm gonna just crush it into it. He's staring at me. Okay. Okay, now you just put it in here and you smash it, and the garlic just comes out like that. And then you can use your fork or your knife to just scrape the rest off like that. And do the next one. You don't have to take this part off, but it helps you get more of the garlic. Okay. Well, that's good enough. And then you're gonna put your cilantro in. And just pick it apart. Then you're just gonna mix it up with your fork. Okay, so after you're done mixing, you wanna take your salt. And this is also just by how much you wanna put in. Put salt. Cayenne, just a little bit, not too much. And then, oh, I forgot. Where is it? Oh, did she take it with her? Oh, here it is. And then you can put a little bit of this seasoning. It's called tahini. My mom recently showed it to me. You just shake a little bit of that in there. And you're gonna take this lime juice. And just pour a good amount in here. and then you just mix it up. It doesn't look the prettiest, but here is our finished guacamole. You can eat it with any tortilla chips you have, or you can make your own. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.